Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing an exciting DIY project that involves recycling plastic bottles and transforming them into a beautiful vertical garden on a wall. As an excellent way to add some greenery to your living space, especially if you have limited floor space or live in an apartment. Let's dive right in. To make this project happen, you will need the following materials: plastic bottles, scissors, soil, seeds or small plants, hooks, fishing wire, wa- and watering can. The first step to cut the plastic bottles in half, either vertical or horizontally, depending on your preference. Cut small holes in the bottom of each bottle half for rain purposes. Fill each bottle half with soil and plant your seeds or small plants. Wire to create a hanging system for the bottles. Ensure the hooks are securely attached to the wall and that the fishing wire is strong enough to hold the weight of the bottles. Hang the bottles on the hooks in a vertical arrangement, ensuring they are spaced out evenly. Water your new vertical garden regularly, making sure the soil stays moist. By creating a vertical garden, you are not only recycling plastic bottles and reducing waste, but you are also adding greenery to your living space. Plants have been shown to have numerous benefits, such as reducing stress and improving air quality. Plus, it's great conversation starter and an excellent way to show off your creativity. Thanks for watching.